Pooja, what is this behavior? This is water, H2O. This is you ruining your weight loss efforts. बस क्या? Someone's getting slow. Your metabolism is getting slow. Elaborate, please. Ayurveda says that drinking cold water directly from the fridge can dampen your digestive fire or Agni. This is why, in spite of doing so much mehnat, you never lose weight. But drinking hot water increases your digestive fire and can prevent your food from getting stored as fat. और एक bonus point सुन, your favorite actor तापसी पन्नू ना, she also follows this hack. Wow, really? तब तो मैं इसे पक्का follow करने वाली हूँ. But hey, you don't follow तापसी, फिर तुझे ये सब कैसे पता? Because I follow her nutritionist, मुनमुन गनेरीवाल.